Hey guys, today we got a Leer 122 series. Fits the 2019 to current model Ram 6.4 bed. Current model as of now would be the 24 model, so as of now it's 19 to 24. This is in almost perfect shape. Only one minor defect that I found on this one, but this one's in very, very nice shape. Look, it's like a blue gray or charcoal gray color. I believe the color code is PAR, but there's no damage on the top of this thing and down the sides. There might be two little nicks right there. Bottom edge is in good shape. All the way down through there, and this is probably the worst of it, is this little chip on the corner edge. It was set down on a rock or something right there, but that's it. Like, paint's in very good shape. Has a single bay window with a half sliders on the side. Paint in here is in great shape. Picture window in the front. No damage on the cap here. Now, these get damaged a lot because they're so tall, and it looks like it has a small chip there and a small chip there, but because they're so tall they catch road debris, but even that doesn't have much damage. Oh, looks like there's another couple right there. Bottom edge looks good all the way through here. Does have a couple, I don't know, like rub marks or something right there. It's kind of rubbed the paint off right there, but whatever that is. Paint on this side's good. Top and the top edge on this side is just as nice as the other side. Nothing wrong with it. Paint down through here is perfect shape. The bottom on this side has no damage on it. Bottom edge is in good shape, no damage at all. Paint looks good in here. Does have a single bay window and the half slider on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. No damage on the paint here. All the way through here looks real good. A little bit of dirt from when we washed it. No damage on this cap back here. This one's obviously was not on the truck very long. Interior is all bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape. They're practically new. Doesn't look like there's any leaking. Since it's pretty new, so there's not going to be any leaking anyway. Screens are all good shape, no problems on the screens. Serial number. Whoa, turn it around right side up. There we go. It's 122 series, 6.4 Dodge Ram, 19, so it's 19 to 24 as of now. PAR is the color. It does have a little strap. Whoever owned it before had a strap so you can pull the door down. Comes in handy. So there it is. Leer 122 series. It's a 2019 to current model 2024 Ram with a 6.4 bed. It is PAR in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click the link see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. Those can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, those can all be purchased online from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in, so you want to subscribe below to keep up to date on that stuff there. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. Do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.